Are you tired of being restricted by a fixed TV position that causes glare or neck strain during your favorite movies? If you want to transform your living room into a truly flexible home theater, the Mounting Dream TV wall mount is exactly what you need. This isn't just a bracket, it's a complete upgrade to your viewing experience. First, its full-motion articulating arms allow you to swivel and tilt your screen, meaning you can finally find that perfect angle from anywhere in the room. Second, it is impressively robust, supporting TVs up to 99 pounds, which provides real peace of mind that your investment is secure. Third, it is specifically designed to fit standard 16-inch studs and supports VESA patterns up to 400 x 400 millimeters, making installation straightforward for almost any 32 to 65-inch television. I have personally found that having this level of adjustability makes a huge difference in comfort. If you are looking to elevate your setup, I highly recommend checking this out. You can find the link in the description below. Keep in mind that prices and stock levels can fluctuate on Amazon, so it is worth taking a look today.